everybody, welcome to the H3 Platform YouTube channel. Today we got some cool stuff to show you. This is our latest GPU expansion box, Falcon 3205. And you can see that I've taken everything out from the box, and we got a lot of accessories right here. We'll put that aside for the moment. Let's take a look at the front side of the chassis. We got an LCD module down here. You can read all the system info from the LCD module. And here's the front grille. You can take it off to replace the filter, just like this. And let's put it back now. And we got a lovely H3 logo at the bottom. And we'll turn it around and take a look at the back side of the chassis. So at backside, you can see this weird looking ports. These are called SFF8644 connectors. And these are used as a host port. You can connect to your workstation via these ports. And this is the Ethernet port. This is used for management. So you can connect it to your workstation directly or to your local area network. For the management interface. And you can see that there are a lot of PCIe slots covered by the bracket. And we got two power supplies. Let's take a look at what kind of power supply we have. So we currently have the 1600 watts power supply units, and two of them. That should be enough for 4 to 5 graphics cards. Okay, and let's put it back. Alright, and just so you know, we do offer power supply redundancy, but in that case, you'll have to choose the 2100 watts power supply, and two of them, to create the power supply redundancy. And now let's take a look at what's inside the chassis. We'll open the top cover. Alright, so you can see that we got 4 PCIe by 16 slots here. These are for the GPUs. And we got 2 extra slots on the riser board. But according to the user manual, only this slot will work. This one, apparently it doesn't work. Alright, and we got 4 fan modules at the front, and these are hot pluggable, so you can take it off like this and put it back. Okay, so this is the device drawer, which we see there are 4 PCI slots, so you can pull it out like this. So that makes device replacement easier. Alright, we'll put it back for now. Woohoo! Now it's time to take a look at the accessories. We'll put it aside. Alright, I've unpacked everything. That's a lot of bags right here. We'll put it aside. Let's take a look at what's inside. So we got the mini size HD cables. So 4 of them. And we got 4 8-pin to dual 8-pin PCIe extension power cord. And I think these are for the chassis, so you don't scratch your tables. And we got 2 power cord for the power supply units, 2 of them. And this weird looking thing is a host adapter. So we got a set of bracket, half height, and full height. So we'll have to install this on our workstation. It's about time to set up the system. Let me put everything away. Oops. I think I dropped something. Screw. Alright, and 1 second please. Woohoo! This is the RTX 3090 Turbo Edition. We were lucky enough to get this. I think it is pretty hard to get this Turbo Edition RTX 3090s at the moment. And it fits perfectly with the chassis. But don't worry if you don't get this. I think the upcoming RTX 86000 and A40 will suit perfectly. So let's start the installation. Okay, now we can plug in our GPUs. Okay, now we've done the installation. You can see that we got 4 GPUs perfectly lined up. And we'll put the stabilization bar back. So remember to screw on both sides. Oh, by the way, this 8-pin connectors provides 375 extra wattage to the GPUs. That makes every slot 450 watts. That's a lot of power. And we'll put it back to the drawer, to the chassis. Alright, it's all set.